Good morning, I'm I. My team, Angie, Echo, and Lucas, will be presenting about smart automation today. So this is our agenda. Let's start with the introduction and the background. Now imagine you left your house at 7:30 every morning and you had to turn on your automatic vacuum cleaner by yourself. Now, sometimes you can think, oh, why not set an alarm for it and let it turn on by itself? Now, here's one problem. Imagine you overslept one day or had an unspecified emergency, and then you run down the stairs and then imagining that you would run out the door only to trip on the vacuum cleaner, like Goofy over here. Now, you could have prevented this with smart automation. So, smart automation is communication between devices. So, the automatic vacuum cleaner could have communicated with, say, a motion sensor. When the motion sensor detects that there's nobody in the house, then it will tell the vacuum cleaner to turn on. Here's a background on smart automation. It's when machines communicate to function more efficiently. They can communicate using Bluetooth, local networks, either LAN or WLAN for wireless communication, or physical wires, which was most commonly used in the past. They can also use big data or the Internet of Things, and they can use past data from old sensor readings if they have stored those in memory.
History. Automation started in the Industrial Revolution, where steam machines helped make more products faster, boosting European countries to prominence. Then, in the digital age, less people were required to operate the machine as they became more automated with automatic operation. All the workers had to do was monitor the machines. Now, in the 21st century, even less people are now required to operate machines, as machines are able to communicate with each other to function more efficiently. Spread of use. To increase in minimum wage in the Western world has led the country to move from traditional labor-based manufacturing to capital-intensive manufacturing. This had led to the need to develop more machines that will enable basic jobs that can be substituted by machines to produce more at a low cost. As minimum wage and specialized wage continues to rise, there's more demand to make everything more automatic. As humans, to let the machines think for themselves. This is why they developed software that would enable machines to communicate with each other. On the right side, as we can see, there's a line graph, which shows us the minimum wage over the past 50 years. Today, IA, which stands for Intelligent Application, is a main driving force for digital transformation, helping companies go digital seamlessly. Intelligent automation is a combination of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotic process automation, which stands for RPA, where AI enables insider-driven analytics, decision-making, and personal management. And RPA automates processes and reduces human participation in them. Application in different industries, intelligent automation in practice. Enterprises have been using automation for quite some time now. It started with machines replacing humans on assembly lines and evolved into AI, RPA, and cognitive algorithm being at the heart of complicated environments that imitate human reasoning and behavior. Today's automation dramatically changes the way humans and the machine interact with each other under the rapid growth of data flows, digital transformation of life, and particularly unlimited computing power. Application in different industries, intelligent automation in commerce. IA is an efficient way to boost sales, increase customer engagement, and reduce costs, which is why retailers heavily invest in it. Indeed, smart automation provides a variety of tools and techniques that impart considerable benefits. Some examples of intelligent automation commerce are as follows: guidance through online or offline shopping, improved warehouse logistics, transaction security, data-driven planning of supply and delivery, hands-free checkout.
Application in different industries, intelligent automation in manufacturing. AI has triggered industrial revolutions. Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0 drastically changes in processes and environments that rely on cyber physical and cognitive systems. These systems are inspired by recent technological advances such as AI, ML, and more. As a result, physical and digital robots that are driven by the cutting-edge intelligent automation technologies and tools can perform many operations, replacing or supplanting humans, and do so in the following ways: automated factory floor, automated workflow, machine vision. Application in different industries, intelligent automation in healthcare. Healthcare providers are among major consumers of IA solutions that extensively use both artificial intelligence and RPA. With RPA, medical institutions streamline repetitive processes that are connected with accurate pattern data retrieval, processing, and decision-making, which creates a whole new age of evidence-based, more efficient care. Decisions are based on retrieved facts and figures, are not on a doctor's experience and knowledge alone. AI in healthcare enables caregivers to better perform the following tasks: personalized treatment, predictive diagnosing, medical imaging, surgeon operations, and nursery and more. Integration in Thailand's manufacturing industry shifts from labor to capital-intensive manufacturing. Thailand is at the powerful crossroads in our economic development. After several decades of consistent growth, we're now preparing to finally break through and become a high-income nation compared to likes of regional competitors such as Malaysia or ISO of Taiwan. To do this, we are focusing on smart industry. A high-income Thailand is one of which is driven by technological process, so that government has started subsidizing a large amount of money into robotics and automation. These technologies are certainly set to change the face of manufacturing, making process faster, more intelligent and efficient, and hopefully attracting increasing investments in the sector. Integration in Thailand's manufacturing industry, Thailand 4.0. Robotics and automation is one of 10 industries targeted for growth under Thailand 4.0. A board of investment ambitious economic model designed to propel the country into high income status, shaping the future of robotics and automation. When cars were first introduced into Thailand at the beginning of the 20th century, there were only 300 of them on Bangkok's newly built modern roads. Fast forward to today, Thailand is home to a high concentration of automotive companies, which manufacture around 2 million cars a year.
Okay, so for this slide is the real life example in the house. We know about the automatic vacuum known as Roomba or circular cleaner. This is a new product by iRobot, which has AI technology to map out the room or rooms that is view clean. It's also integrated with other smart home devices such as Amazon Alexa. Real life example in industrial scale, Finland, based on Metro, has started autonomous mining with the help of Internet of Things or IoT. It has been proven to help minerals plants save costs and save the environment. This is the benefit and the disadvantage to different stakeholders. Like anything in life, we will have benefit and disadvantages. Let's begin with the benefit. So on the benefit to different stakeholders, the number one is education. With automation, you can reach more people and more students can get better education. It's also effective discussion making. More data and AI will be able to let managers make smarter decisions, which will be benefit to the company in the long term. Trust. Machine do not lie. This will the exception of something malfunction. We can eliminate this in the future with better technologies. The next is cost saving. The universal goal for any company to make more profit. This will also benefit the community with more specialized jobs. The next one is risk management. Carrying on from trust, better decision can be made to solve problems, or we could see the complete elimination of current problems with the help of big data. Accountability. The margin of errors for machine is much lower than humans, and this will mean companies are more efficient. Now we will move on to the disadvantages. The implementation cost of new technologies may be quite high. There can be a solution to this if the government subsidies this with new tech company. Data access and difficulty. Legal or patented harmless may mean legal problems. It may occur when acquiring data if it's not public knowledge. And the last one is difficulty of adoption and implementation, like how frontal crash sensors are not on a modern car, even though the technology is really available. It will be difficult for everyone to implement and adapt to this new system.
In conclusion, smart automation will definitely be a part of our lives. It has been for a while now, depending on where you're from. The benefits of smart automation outweigh the disadvantages, so clearly it would make more than enough sense to use smart automation technology in the future. As with most things in time, the technology for smart automation will be getting better in the hopes of better living quality for people, and some people who are less fortunate may even have better lives with smart automation. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have enjoyed our presentation. These are our sources. Do take care. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.